Alright, so I just filmed a video of these ceiling fans in my house now. Going down here. I have to be careful because of what's down here. But these are 3 Daikin inverter heat pumps. There's a Daikin logo right there. And here's the data on them. They were made in 2008. Model number is RXS24DVJU. Serial number is E003242. The 3rd week of 2008. And that goes for all of them. All these 3 units were made in the 3rd week of. And all of them also have R410A refrigerant. You can see on that one as well. Now the data actually came off of that one. But on the data this unit. I mean, I'm not gonna hop back there, but I think this was the one. I think that panel goes to this one. Yeah, that panel on top of that unit goes to this unit right here, because I could see there's a panel on this unit. As you can see, that one's faded. This is the only unit that has the data in place. It's not worn off. Well, it's coming off, actually. Probably put the data in my room if I could actually peel the whole thing off, stick it on my wall, stick it on the wall in my room. Then the indoor units are in the garage. But here's the temp star while it's off. Let's get a little video of it off. It's the 4 air conditioners that I have. Hasn't been running all night and all day, so close the gate. There it is. All its glory. No, it's mid-2000s glory. The dog is barking. Hampton Bay fireplace. Anyways, that's it on the air conditioners that I have. I don't even know if these run. They might actually run. Lola! Hi. It's just me, baby girl. It's just me. But yeah, those might actually run. But there's something over here that's worth pointing out as well. It's a motorcycle. Yeah, that was my dad. Anyways, it doesn't run. I've been trying to make it run. There's the pool. Hasn't been open all summer. And it's like 50 degrees out right now. Or at least that's what it feels like. First time wearing pants all year. Anyways, that's mainly it on the air conditioners. I'll do a video on the indoor units, which are in the garage, later on after I upload this video and the video of the ceiling fans in my house. Now these videos might be different quality because I'm doing these videos on the same phone but different modes. Oh, cute, Jazz. What's she doing? Yeah.